Alright guys, it's down to the wire. Finals next week. What are we gonna do?
We're all failing Mr. Pike's class. He won't pass anyone.
I don't want to say this, but we could use Conception again.
Nah, it's too risky. You guys remember what happened last time.
But we have to pass. We really have to.
Or else we won't graduate.
It's our only choice. Okay guys, we're gonna have to do it a bit differently this time.
We can't make the same mistakes we did last time.
Here, we can use these bags and hide our identities. He'll never know it's us.
Hey, I got the pillowcase from last time. You know what to do.
We won't know where we take them. Okay, this is our only chance. We can't blow it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Put the derivative in the back, and then that's wrong. Okay. You can change that. Hold on, I'll be right back. Hello, this is.
Get to the floor, Dad! Get to the floor!
Get him, what's happening? Oh, what's happening? Hey!
So, are
Where am I?
pass us?
Are you gonna pass this, man?
Where am I? I can't see anything.
You gonna pass us? You're gonna pass us?
Hey! Help! Hey! What's happening?
Shut him up, shut him up.
Hey! No!
Luis has no choice. We have to go into his dream.
We must drive a function in order to get access to the mind. That's where we can plant our idea.
Are you sure it's gonna work though?
Yes, don't you remember when we experimented on those group of illegal Mexicans?
I don't even want to remember that.
But remember, we have to anti-drive to get out of the dream.
Okay, well, we only have a limited amount of time in this dream, so we have to plant the idea and get out.
Let's go work on the equation.
Alright, in order to get into a dream, you have to take the derivative of an equation. This is the equation that we're going to use, but we're also going to use this formula, nxn minus 1. What that means is that we're going to take this power and multiply it by this constant. So this is the first derivative. So you're going to take 3 and multiply it by 8, that's 24. Then you're going to subtract 1 by 3, and then that's 2. You're going to do the same thing to this. So it's 2 times 4, and then you're going to subtract 1 from 2. Then with this one, it's kind of tricky. So you're just going to think of this x having an exponent of 1. So you're going to multiply the exponent by the constant, that's 6. And then since you're going to subtract 1 from here, x with the exponent of 0 is 1. So you're just going to leave it like that. Since there isn't an exponent for x and there isn't an x here, that's just 0. So you found the first derivative. Now you're going to find the second derivative. The second derivative is finding the derivative of the first derivative. So you're just going to do the same steps I did up here. So you're going to multiply 2 by 24, that's 48. Then you're going to subtract 1 from 2, 1. Then you're going to do the same thing here. So it's 1 times 8 is 8. And then you're going to subtract 1 from here, which is 0. So that's 8. And then here, it's just 0 because it's the same thing from here. There isn't an x and there isn't an exponent, so you're just going to leave it. You're going to find the third derivative. You're just going to do the same steps as you did previously. So 1 times 48 is 48. And then there isn't an exponent here, so it's just 48. That's how you derive. So after we're done in Pike's third dream, we're going to have to anti-derive to get out of all the dreams. So what we want to do is we want to take the antiderivative of the original equation. And to do that, we have to use this formula. xn plus 1 over n plus 1. So what that means is we're going to add 1 to the power, that's 4, and we're going to put it over 4. Then we're going to do the same thing. So 4x to the third over 3. And you're just going to do the same thing here. So you're going to think of this as the x to the first plus 1. So now on this one, all you're going to do is add x. Now we're going to simplify. And don't forget to add c. Okay. So the next step is we have to plug in where we're going to start. And we're going to start from the very beginning. So we're going to start at 0.00. What we want to do is we want to take this equation and equal it to 0. Now we're going to plug 0 and solve for where the x is. Now we're going to simplify. And all of this, anything times 0 is 0. So it's 0 plus c. Now we're going to simplify this, and we're going to find c. C equals 0.
Alright, I'm plugging in the equation into the calculator. That way we can transfer into the dreams.
We need someone to stay back and make sure we wake up. Who's gonna stay? I'll do it. Come on, guys, you got this. Go get me an A.
Stupid.
Go.
Oh, hey, Mr. Pike.
Hey, what are you guys doing? Get out of my house. We came to visit you.
Wait, this is your house.
Why not? Yeah, it is.
We're at Best Buy.
No. I think I lost my wallet.
We'll help you find it.
How's the market?
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do.
Excuse me, sir. Have you found a wallet?
No, I haven't.
Are you sure, Jeff?
I'm sure.
Sure you have it.
No, I don't have the wallet. I don't have the wallet. I don't have the wallet.
Oh, here it is. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for helping me find my wallet, guys. Maybe you're not so bad after all.
You're welcome, Mr. Pike.
Bye. I think the dream in Best Buy went really well. We're on our way to having Pike like us.
Alright, I think it's time to go to the second dream. I'll stay here and make sure everything goes okay. Go ahead and take the second derivative.
Got it.
Alright, so simplify by the constant, 48.
My favorite video game is The Sims. Because you can like build your own house and stuff. It's really cool.
So was everything okay, guys? Well, this isn't exactly what we ordered, and the chips are stale, and the guacamole is just not that good.
Sorry. I don't give a fuck, man.
What?
Yeah.
I mean, really, that's your service here? It's just nasty. Like, are you not gonna give us anything, dude? Okay.
Hey man, it's alright, it's alright, you guys. It's cool. I'm sorry about that, sir. It won't happen again, don't worry.
Well, let me see you in my store again, dog.
All right.
Fuck yeah.
Why would I come back?
Man, that just got so out of hand. I've just been so stressed lately. My gangster math class just been stressing me out so much.
Dude, don't worry about them. Your gangster math class is helpless. Just focus on us.
Yeah, Bill. I mean, compared to them, they're nothing. We should get A's.
Yeah, I guess you guys are right. The gangster math class has no future anyway.
We're hardworking, we're good students, and we really need to graduate. I think
Yeah,
we
that's a
deserve
pretty
it.
good idea. Alright, well I'm gonna go. I have to take care of my 20 kids, if you know what I mean.
Alright, it's time to go into the final dream. Now we need to take a third derivative. I believe in you.
Thank you. Alright, let's start. So first, you need to find third derivative by multiplying the exponent by the constant. And since there's a 1 here, 48 times 1 is 48.
Yep.
And you subtract 1 from the exponent. So the x cancels out, drops out, and 48 it is. Excuse me, Mr. Pike.
Yes?
I was wondering if you could tell me what my grade was.
Sure. It looks like you have it right now.
Well, how can I raise my grade up?
You might have to pray, or maybe turn in some work.
Well, do you think you have time to tutor me right now?
Yeah, I probably could. I wasn't doing anything. Parametric mode on a grapher can be used to model the motion of moving objects when the motion of each can be expressed as a function of time t. Consider, for example, a 13-foot ladder leaning against a wall. Suppose that the base of the ladder slides away from the wall at a constant rate of 3 feet per second. How fast does the top of the ladder move down the wall?
Mr. Pike, I just wanted to let you know that me and my friends, we're all very dedicated to your classroom. We always want to succeed and do the best, but we somehow have really bad grades in your class.
Yeah, I see how dedicated you guys are. I should probably change your grades to an A.
Well, do you think you can help me with one last problem?
Yeah, what do you
Let's
mean?
go to the board.
In the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs, gotta have my bowl, gotta have cereal, seeing everything, the time is going, ticking on and on, everybody's rushing, gotta get down to the bus stop, gotta catch my bus, I see my friend.
That was a crazy dream. What's this?